looking at differentiation of trigonometric functions. So we are given a function y is equal to sine 2x to the power of 3 plus 3x minus 4, and we're asked to find the y dx. How do we do this? Now we have a function inside this trigonometric function sine. So what do? We say let u be equal to the function inside this trigonometric function 2x to the power of 3 plus 3x minus 4. So now we're not going to have what? That we differentiate u with respect to x. So we're differentiating u with respect to x. So it becomes du dx is equal to, if you differentiate this, 3 times 2 gives us 6x. Subtract 1 from 3, that gives us 2. Differentiate 3x, you're going to have 3. Differentiate minus 4, of course, it gives us what? 0. Because minus 4 is a constant. Now, don't forget that you said y, or you said u to be equal to this. So it becomes that y becomes sine u, because you said let the whole of this be u. So we're going to differentiate this too. We're going to differentiate y with respect to u. So it becomes dy du equals what? Differentiate sine u, you are going to get cos u. So finally, what will be your dy dx? Your dy dx is going to be equal to your dy du multiplied by du dx, which is going to be equal to what? Dy du is what? Cos u multiplied by, what is your du dx? Your du dx is what? 6x² plus 3. So that becomes that what? Dy dx will be equal to what? 6x² plus 3 cos u. So we're going to recall that u is equal to what? U is equal to what? 2x to the power of 3 plus 3x minus 4. All right. So now we're finally going to do what? We're going to put this into this. So it becomes that what? Dy dx is going to be equal to what? 6x² plus 3 cos into bracket 2x to the power of 3 plus 3x minus 4. So this is going to be our derivative. All right. So when we differentiate this, or when we want to find the y dx of this function, we're going to have this as our final answer. All right. This is what we're going to have.